Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Michelle from michzartiste. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, which is my very soft, everyday browns, super classic look. I absolutely love browns. I think they're the prettiest colors ever. When in doubt, use browns. Goes with any outfit, any look, whatever, classic. You can jazz it up, you can tone it down. The limit does not exist. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this, please keep watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Drop me a comment, send me requests, do it all, I'm down. All right, I'll see you guys soon. We're gonna jump right in. The first thing I'm gonna use is my Goldlite Strobe Cream from MAC. This stuff, even if you're not gonna wear makeup, is so nice. It gives the most subtle glow. So cute. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix face and body in C3 and N5, also from MAC. I'm just gonna put a little bit of N5 around the outside, just to kind of warm it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna spritz this Beauty Blender style. I got this from CVS when I was in Las Vegas, so I don't know what actual brand it is. It's not Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shapetape in light medium sand and just go right under the eyes. I'm just doing a little bit down the center of my face to add brightness. Next, I'm going to take my face and body in N7 and I'm going to use it as a bronzer. These blend out so beautifully, especially when I'm using the face and body, because it doesn't get blotchy. Sometimes I find bronzing with powders, it picks up like that wet foundation and makes it a little blotchy. And I always like to take the remaining and just put it down the side of my neck just so everything blends together. Just go over everything once. And then you're left with that beautifully barely there bronze. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose in Fair Light. I'm gonna take the Real Beauty Blender for this, just so I can get right in the corners of my eyes. And I'm just gonna go down the center of my face. There's too much. I'm just gonna go down the sides of my jawline as well. I'm just gonna do a little bit of extra bronzer. I'm gonna use MAC's Mineralize Skinfinish in medium deep, and I'm going to apply it with my 137 brush. This brush is so nice because it's very flexible. So again, it's gonna give me that barely there bronze. I'm gonna use it to wipe away the excess of any powder that may have been left over. It's the problem with filming with black. I'm gonna go in with my Hyperreal Glow palette and use the color Shimmy Peach right in the center for even more glow. This is actually quite pigmented, so I'm gonna use that brush again so it's very soft. Oh yes, it just gives the most, it like has highlight built into it somehow. Gorge. I'm gonna take the gold color, Paradise, and just pop a little bit over there. For a little bit of extra glow, I'm gonna use the gold Hyperreal palette. I don't know the names of these guys, but I'm gonna use that middle color. If you can tell, I like it a lot. And I'm just gonna highlight the center of my face. And I'm just using a 221 by MAC. It's very soft. It's a tapered blending brush. Basically basically just want to touch a little bit everywhere. I mostly do it on the hard parts of the face, minus the forehead and under here, because you just don't want it to look greasy. I'm just going to take my regular beauty blender and just pop over that really quickly. That's pretty much it for our skin. I almost use like that bronzer as a blush, I guess. So that's pretty much it for our skin. I'm going to spray with my Bandescu spray, just to soften everything. That is the most gorgeous skin ever. I'm just gonna go back over my eyelids with my beauty blender that had my powder on it, just because that sometimes does leave a little bit of a film. For this eye, I'm gonna do really natural. I'm gonna do the beautiful browns. So I'm gonna take, this is one of my favorite palettes that I've created by MAC. It's all my warm colors. So I'm gonna start with the color Kid, which is this guy right here. It's kind of like a warm taupe. And I'm just gonna push that along the outer edges. You kind of want to like dust it out a little bit, if that makes sense. My mirror is right in front of me and I can't even see that shit. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of soft brown. I'm gonna go in with Swiss chocolate after for a little bit more depth. So I'm gonna take the soft brown and I'm gonna just focus that right on the outside. This color is a little bit more peachy. And I'm gonna take my Swiss chocolate and I'm really gonna push that just on the outer edge, using very small circular motions. I'm gonna take a mix of the soft brown and Swiss chocolate and just push that underneath my lower lash line, just so it connects. That way it kind of pulls it out a little bit more. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that Kid and just literally push it around the entire thing. With that little bit of excess darker color on your brush, it really makes it blend out beautifully. Gorgeous. What color do I want now? I think for a warmer option, I'm gonna stick with my soft brown and I'm gonna push that on the lid. Same brush, my 217. I think I want this the tiniest bit darker. So I'm gonna go in with Embark. This color is quite dark and chocolatey, so use it sparingly if you don't want it to be too crazy. For my mascara, I'm gonna use Extended Play Gigablack Lash. This brush is my favorite, it's so petite. Sorry if this unfocuses, but I need to look in this. I definitely can't see from there. I really love to use the tip of the brush to pick apart my lashes. So they're very nice and fanned out and very soft, especially with this look. And I like to apply 2 coats of this, just so they're a little bit more fluffy. I'm gonna add the tiniest little bit of that Hyperreal glow from before. Just on the brow bone. Oh, gorgeous. Yes. Now that this look is done, I'm actually gonna add the tiniest little bit more blush. I'm gonna use something a little bit more pigmented. I'm gonna use Warm Soul by MAC. There we go. This one's a little bit less highlighty and more of a true blush. Oh, that looks fire. For my lip, I'm gonna do something really soft. I'm gonna do a little mixture, one of my nude trios. I'm gonna use Oak Lip Liner to start. Who am I kidding? I can't do this from that far away. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna go in with Clouds My Coffee Liptensity lipstick. That is cute. Oh, gorgeous. That's like so nude. A little bit cool though. And then I'm gonna finish off with Boybait Cremesheen lip gloss. Those guys are all by MAC. I think this is by far my favorite lip gloss of all time. It's not sticky, it gives such a good shine, and it's the perfect nude. So this is basically our beautiful natural brown look of the day. This actually feels really cute with my hair, not gonna lie. So if you guys liked my video, please hit the like and subscribe button or the notification so you can get my future videos.